चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाह 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 या रब 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 या रब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू कंजुल ईमान स्कूल टीवी। आओ बच्चों, हम आज का सबक पढ़ते हैं। आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें।
Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 26. Urdu page number 30, 31, English page number 27 and 29. Dear children, respected parents and teacher, as you know we had done page number 27 reading before, so learn the page on the same pattern. So let's start with English, page number 27. This is, these are. As you know we learned the use of this is and these are. So let's start reading. This is a line. Line is a nearer object and a singular. So we use this is a line. These are zebras. These are nearer but more than one. These are plural. So we use these are zebras. प्यारे बच्चों, जब एक चीज़ हो और हमारे करीब हो तो उसके लिए हम दिस इज़ का यूज़ करते हैं, और जब एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें हों और करीब हो तो उनके लिए हम दीज आर का यूज़ करते हैं। जैसे दिस इज़ अ लाइन, ये एक शेर है। दीज आर द ज़ेब्रास, ये ज़ीब्रा हैं। दिस इज़ अ डियर, दीज आर एलिफेंट्स। This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. These are pigeons. These are pigeons. This is a tortoise. These are turtles. The plural of tortoise is turtle. These are turtles. These are more than one. This is a duck. These are frogs. General knowledge. Dear children, read aloud with me. Name the 4 directions. हमारी 4 directions 4 सिमतें कौन सी हैं? East, West, North and South. Name the 4 directions: East, West, North and South. मशरिक, मगरिब, शुमाल, जनूब. Tell the name of pet animals. Pet animals ऐसे animals जिनको आप घर में रख सकते हैं. Tell the name of pet animals: cat, dog, goat and cow. From where does the sun set? Sun कहाँ पे गरूब होता है, कहाँ पे सेट होता है? From where does the sun set? In the west. From where does the sun set? In the west. From where does the sun set? In the west. Conversation. Sorry. Conversation. What is your favorite cartoon? आपका पसंदीदा कार्टून कौन सा है? अब्दुल बारी. What is your favorite cartoon? अब्दुल बारी. What is your favorite TV channel? Madni channel. What is your favorite TV channel? Madni channel. What is your religion? Islam. Now let's start the poem. 2 little dicky birds. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One's named Peter, one's named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Respected teachers and parents, revise page number 8, 11, 14, 17, 21 and 25, 24 reading again. Also learn the question of general knowledge question number 10 to question number 18. Revise the question number 10 to question number 18 of conversation. Revise the poem line number 1 to line number 8 again and again and again. Respected teachers, teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. Make sure that all the students have learnt all the questions today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. Thank you. Let's start written work now. Fill in the blanks with this is or these are. Dear children, as you know, we use this is for nearer singular object. These are for nearer plural objects. So let's start. A line. Line is a singular and nearer. So we use this is. What we use with the line? This is. Ducks are plurals and nearer objects. So we use these are. These are ducks. A rabbit. Dear children, rabbit एक है, करीब है, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ करेंगे? This is. Donkeys. It's keys. Keys. Keys are plurals, so we use these are. Tortoise. एक single tortoise है, तो this is. Monkeys are plural, so we use these are. Dear children, do the homework on the same pattern. Dear parents, listen page number 27 and learn again. Thank you.
चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाह अल्लाह अल्लाह।